Teacher Mark TV for another video, and today pag-uusapan naman natin ang composition of functions. So simulan na natin. Alright, so i-define muna natin kung ang ibig sabihin ng composition of functions. Pero bago yon is i-review nyo muna or panoorin nyo muna yung video about operations on functions. So doon na-discuss ko yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of functions. So itong composition of functions ay isa sa mga operations of functions. Okay? So let f of x and g of x are functions. The composition of two functions denoted by f circle, yung maliit na bilog dito sa pagitan ng f and g. So f circle g of x is defined as this one. Okay? So f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. Okay? So kumbaga yung mapapansin natin kung sino yung nasa kanan, no, yung function na nasa kanan, in this case g, siya yung nasa loob mismo ng main function na f. Okay? So in order to evaluate the composition of functions, i-take mo tong function na to, yung pinakakanan, no, function na nasa kanan, as the value of x doon sa main function na f. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan natin kung paano yung proseso or paano nagagawa yung composition of functions is magbibigay tayo ng ilan sa mga examples. Okay, so bago yon is meron tayong given functions. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3, g of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4, m of x is equal to square root of x plus 4, and h of x is equal to x plus 5 all over x minus 1. Okay, so magsisimula tayo sa number 1. We have f circle g of x. So kukunin natin yung value ng function na ito. Okay, so by definition of composition of functions, so kung ano yung nasa kaliwa, yun ang magiging main function natin. So we have f of x, and then yung function na sa kanan is yung g of x. Okay, so dito natin ipasok si g of x. Okay, so ayan po yung definition of composition of functions. Ngayon, alamin natin kung ano yung value ng g of x. And g of x, as according doon sa given, is x squared minus 3x plus 4. So we replace g of x with this one. Okay, kasi ayan yung given. We have f of x squared minus 3x plus 4. Okay, after nun is define muna natin yung f of x. So ang f of x po natin ay 2x minus 3. Pero isasolve natin yung value ng f at x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4. So yung x dito sa f, papalitan natin itong expression na ito. So that we have imbes na 2x minus 3, di ba? Yung x mapapalitan to. So we have 2 times x squared minus 3x plus 4, di ba? And then minus 3. Okay? Ayan po. And then saka mo i-simplify yung expression. No? So i-distribute mo yung 2. So 2 times x squared becomes 2x squared. Then 2 times negative 3x magiging negative 6x. And then 2 times 4 equals 8. So positive 8. Then we have minus 3 here. And then finally this one. So pagsamahin mo tong dalawang constant terms. So 8 minus 3 or positive 8 plus negative 3. That is positive 5. So therefore, yung value ng f circle g of x ay ito. 2x squared minus 6x plus 5. So this is the answer. Next, number 2, we have g circle f of x. So this time nasa kaliwa naman ngayon yung g. So yun ang magiging main function natin. Okay? So g of this. Okay? Pero yung nasa loob na yon is yung f mismo. Okay? Kung ano yung function na nasa kanan. So, yan yung nasa loob niya. 'Di ba? So, we have g of f of x. Okay? Ayan po. Next naman po is, ayan na, meron na tayong definition ng composition of functions. Ganito na siya. So, yung f of x, no, ano yung f of x natin? Ayon sa given, ang f of x ay 2x ay minus 3. Okay? So, yung f of x, papalitan natin to muna. No? So, g of 2x minus 3. Ayan po, okay? So, kukunin naman natin ngayon yung value ng g of 2x minus 3. And to do this, define muna natin yung g of x. So, ang g of x po natin ay x squared minus 3x plus 4. So, i-evaluate natin to at x is equal to 2x minus 3. So, lahat ng x dito, no, bawat x dito ay papalitan natin ng 2x minus 3. So, to do this, we have x squared. So, from x here, papalitan natin to. So, we have 2x minus 3. No? Nakaparenthesis po siya. Then, raised to 2. Then, minus 3 times the same function here. So, 2x minus 3. Diba? And then, plus 4. Okay? And then, saka natin i-simplify. Ano po? So, for this one, square of binomial siya, pero pwede mo pa rin gamitin yung FOIL method to multiply 2x minus 3 by itself. So, gagamitin na lang natin yung special product. Ano po? So, i-record po natin special product. A plus B, quantity squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, i-record po natin. Yung A po natin ay 2x minus, tapos yung B po natin ay 3. So, i-square po natin yung first term. We have a squared. So, 2x quantity squared po. We have 4x squared. Okay? Kasi 2x times 2x yun eh. Diba? Then, minus 2 times AB. So, ibig sabihin, twice the product of these two terms. No? So, 2 times 2x is 4x. Then, times 3 is equal to 12x. And then, para naman dito, so lagi tayo maglalagay ng plus for the last term. B squared naman po is the square of the last term. So, 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay, so we have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Galing siya dito. No? Tapos, i-distribute natin yung negative 3. Okay, like this. So, negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Then, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Then, plus 4. And then, saka natin combine yung like terms. Okay? So, we have 4x squared here. So, walang ibang x squared terms here. Diba? Tapos, we have negative 12x at saka negative 6x. So, pagsamahin natin silang dalawa. Ano po? So, negative 12 plus negative 6 is negative 18. Then, we have x here. And then for this one, constant terms, we have positive 9, isa pang positive 9, tsaka positive 4. So, i-add natin sila. Ano po? 9 plus 9, 18, plus 40, plus 4 is 22. Okay? So, positive 22. And that's it. Ito na po yung sagot. So, ito po yung value ng G circle f of x. Okay? So, we have 4x squared minus 18x plus 22. Next, number 3, we have f circle f of 5. So, yung function na sa kaliwa is, yan yung main function natin, which is f. Okay? Tapos, yung loob nun, ng f of x is another f of x. The same f. Okay? The same function f. So, ilagay natin yung f of x sa loob. Okay? So, in this case, isang function ang gagamitin natin, which is f, kasi magkapares naman sila eh. 'Di ba? And since value ng x ay given, 5, so yung x dapat palitan natin ng 5. Okay? So, kukunin muna natin yung value ng f of 5, and kung ano man ang lumabas is gagamitin natin yun to evaluate the value of f once again. Ganun to po yung magiging solution. Okay po? So, for this one, f of 5, diba? Kunin muna natin value ng f of 5. Pero yung f of x po natin, no, is this one. So, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Since x is equal to 5, yung x, papalitan natin ng 5 as well, diba? So, f of 5 is equal to 2 times 5, then minus 3. Then, evaluate, we have 2 times 5 equals 10, minus 3 equals 7. So, ibig sabihin, yung value ng f of 5 ay 7. Okay? So, f of 5, papalitan natin ng 7. Okay? And then, this time, i-evaluate naman natin yung value ng f, once 4, but yung value ng x ay 7. So, i-define muna natin. So, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So, i-substitute natin yung value ng x dito at x is equal to 7. Okay? So, we have 2 times 7 minus 3. So, 2 times 7 is 14 minus 3. That is equal to 11. So, therefore, ang value ng f of 5 is equal to 11. So, ito po yung sagot. Number 4, we have f circle h of x. So, let us define this function, no? So, yung first function is yung main function natin, which is f, diba? Yan yung function na nasa kaliwa. Tapos, kung sino nasa kanan, ayan yung function na nasa loob. Okay? So, which is h of x. Okay? So, that we have f of h of x. Okay? First, i-define muna natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng h of x. Ang h of x ay, base sa given, we have x plus 5 all over x minus 1. So, yung h of x, palitan natin to. Okay? So, f of this fraction. So, x plus 5 all over x minus 1. Okay? So, evaluate natin yung value ng f of x at x is this fraction. Okay? So, yung f of x po natin ay 2x minus 3. So, yung x, papalitan natin to so that we have 2 multiplied by x plus 5 all over x minus 1. Then, minus 3. Okay? And then, saan natin i-simplify? Ano po? So, let's do this. Ano po? So, yung 2, i-distribute natin. Okay? I-distribute natin to, no? So, that we have 2x plus, kasi 2 times x, 2x eh. 2 times 5 naman ay 10. Okay? Then, copy the denominator, the x minus 1. Then, minus 3. Now, pagsamahin natin sa iisang fraction, so, kukunin natin yung LCD, which is x minus 1. So, ibig sabihin, yung 3, imumultiply natin sa fraction equal to 1, no? That is x minus 1 over x minus 1. Okay? Multiply natin sa x minus 1 over x minus 1. That's a fraction equal to 1. Ano po? Tapos, i-distribute natin yung 3 sa x minus 1. So, 3 times x is 3x. Then, 3 times negative 1 is 3. So, i-rewrite muna natin yung expression. Ano po? So, 2x plus 10 all over x minus 1. No? So, I guess pagsamahin na natin sa isang fraction. Ano po? So, x minus 1. Okay? Kasi pares naman na yung magiging denominator na x minus 1. So, pagsamahin na lang natin nasa taas. Diba? So, 2x plus 10 minus 3 multiplied by x minus 1 muna tayo, 'di ba? Saka natin i-distribute. Ano po? So, 2x plus 10, then multiply, we have negative 3x, then negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Okay? All over x minus 1. And then, saka natin pagsamahin yung like terms. So, 2x minus 3x or 2x plus negative 3x is negative x. Then, 10 plus 3 plus positive, that's positive 13. Okay? All over x minus 1. Okay? So, therefore, yung value ng f circle h of x is this one. So, negative x plus 13 all over x minus 1. So, make sure na na-review ninyo yung addition or subtraction of rational functions para maintindihan nitong example na ito. Okay? Next, number 5, we have h circle h of x. So, define muna natin. So, no? So, yung first fraction, which is h of x, diba? Tapos, sa loob nun is the second fraction, which is another h. Okay? So, that we have h of x. Okay? Ayan po. And then, saka natin i-define yung value ng h of x. So, ang h of x po natin ay itong fraction kanina. So, we have h of this fraction, x plus 5 all over x minus 1. Okay? And then, i-substitute natin to, i-plug in natin tong fraction dito mismo sa h. Diba? Sa sarili niya. So, again, ang h po natin ay ito. So, yung x dito ay papalitan natin ng fraction na ito. Okay? So that we have, susundin natin isa-isa. Okay? So, medyo mabagalin natin isa-isa for this part. So, yung x, papalitan natin to. We have x plus 5 all over x minus 1. So, ayan yung kapalit ng x. Diba? Dito. Then, plus 5 all over yung x. Palitan natin to. We have x plus 5 all over x minus 1. Okay? So, ayan yung x natin dito. Then, minus 1. Okay? Ayan po. So, naging complex fraction na siya. Okay? So, make sure na nare-review ninyo kung paano tayo mag-simplify ng rational functions or rational expressions. Okay? Ayan po. To simplify this, i-multiply natin yung numerator at saka denominator by x minus 1. Okay? Para makancel natin si x minus 1. Okay? So, i-multiply natin si numerator sa x minus 1 at si denominator sa x minus 1 din. Okay? So, that makakancel to. So, we have x minus 5 na lang. Kasi na-cancel na eh. Diba? So, x plus 5. Then, plus 5 multiplied by this one. So, x minus 1. All over, ito, makakancel si x minus 1. So, x plus 5 na lang natitira. Then, minus 1 multiplied by this one. Okay? Ayun na siya. So, wala nang wala nang fraction sa numerator at sa denominator. So, i-simplify na lang natin yung taas at baba. Okay? So, x plus 5 plus, ano po natin, distribute. So, 5 times x is 5x. Then, 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. All over this one. So, x plus 5. Then, i-distribute. So, negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Okay? And then, simplify pa natin. So, combine like terms. Diba? So, x plus 5x is 6x. Kasi 1x to eh, diba? So, 6x yan. Tapos, 5 plus negative 5 cancels out. Diba? Maka-cancel to. So, 6x na lang sa taas. Tapos, sa baba, we have x plus negative x. Ito, maka-cancel din to as well. Diba? So, natira ay 5 plus 1. So, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Diba? So, 6x over 6. And since 6 can be cancelled kasi paras naman silang common factor. Diba? Common factor yung 6. So, pwede natin i-cancel as well. That leaves us x. So, diba? Napaka-komplikadong solution pero sa x lang ang bagsak. So, therefore, ang sagot po sa number 5, the circle h of x ay x. So, ito po yung sagot. Alright, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating discussion is subscribe muna kayo sa YouTube channel para sa iba pang videos na i-upload ko, especially kung meron kayo natutunan sa mga videos na ina-upload ko. Alright, number 6, we have m circle g of negative 4. So, let us define the composition of function. So, yung unang function ay yung main function which is m. Diba? Ayan, ganito siya. And then sa loob po is yung pangalawang function which is g of negative 4. So this time, meron ng value of x. Okay? So, g of negative 4. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, i-evaluate muna natin yung value ng g of negative 4. And then, after nun, using the value of g na nakuha natin, is gagamitin natin yun to get the value of m. Okay, so let's do this. So, g of negative 4 muna tayo. So, ang g of x po natin ay ito, x squared minus 3x plus 4. So, kunin muna natin yung value ng g of negative 4. Ano po? So, g of negative 4 is equal to, so, ibig sabihin lahat ng x ay papalitan ng negative 4. Tama? So, that we have negative 4 squared para dito. Then, minus 3x. So, minus 3 times negative 4 po yun. So, minus 3 times negative 4. Then, plus 4. So, ilagay natin dito kasi di nagkasya. Diba? So, ayan na siya. Okay? Nakasubstitute na. And then, simplify na natin. Ano po? So, negative 4 squared, that is positive 16. Then, negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Then, plus 4. Diba? So, 16 plus 12 is 28. Plus 4 is 32. So, ayan pa lang yung value ng g of negative 4, which is equal to 32. So, ibig sabihin, ito, papalitan natin ng 32. Okay? So, m of 32. So, yung 32, galing siya dito. Okay? And then, kukunin naman natin yung value ng m at x is equal to 32. So, palitan lang natin ng 32 to. Okay? So, that we have square root of 32 plus 4. That is equal to 36. 32 plus 4 is 36. And square root of 36, dahil perfect square siya. So, square root of 36 is 6. So, ayan naman po yung value ng m circle g of negative 4. Which is equal to 6. And this is the answer. Okay, next, number 7, we have f circle g circle h of negative 1. So, hindi siya nakalimit sa 2 functions lamang. So, pwede natin siyang i-extend to 3 functions, 4 functions, and more. Okay? So, this time, tatlo ang functions natin na kukunin yung composition nila. Okay? So, yung first function natin, which is f, ayan yung pinaka-main function. Diba? So, f of x. So, lawakan natin. Kasi dyan papasok si g of x. Okay? So, yung next sa main function is yung g. Yan yung pangalawang function. So, ipasok natin si g. Then, parenthesis ulit. And then, yung pangatlong function, yung function na sa pinakakanan, which is h. So, ipapasok natin si h of negative 1. Okay? So, h of negative 1. Okay? Ganyan po yung definition ng composition kapag tatlong functions ang involved. Okay? So, anyway, kunin muna natin yung value ng h of negative 1 since ayan yung nasa pinakaloob. Okay? So, h of negative 1. So, to do that, substitute natin yung negative 1 dito kasi ayan yung h of x po natin. Diba? So, ito, palitan natin ng negative 1. So, we have, dito na lang muna, no? So, h of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 plus 5 all over negative 1 minus 1. Then, simplify, we have negative 1 plus 5, that's positive 4. Then, negative 1 times negative 1 is, negative 1, tama, negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. And 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. So, ayan po yung value ng h of negative 1, okay? So, ito, palitan natin ng negative 2. So that we have f of g of negative 2. Okay? So, yung 2, okay, galing siya dito. Okay, napalitan na. Ngayon, susunod is kunin muna natin yung value ng g of negative 2. Okay? So, dito naman tayo. So, g of negative 2 is, so this time, evaluate natin to at g at x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so let's do this. So, negative 2 squared minus 3 times negative 2 plus 4. So, negative 2 squared is positive 4. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Then, plus 4. So 4 plus 6, 10, then 14. So ayan naman yung value ng g of negative 2, which is equal to 14. So ito, palitan natin to ng 14. Okay, so that we have f of 14. Okay, and then finally, kukunin naman natin yung value ng f of 14. So evaluate natin to at x is equal to 14. Okay, so ito po yung f of x natin. Ayan, i-evaluate natin. So 2x minus 3, this will become 2 times 14 minus 3. Then 2 times 14 is 28 minus 3, 25. That's it. Ito na po yung value ng f circle g circle h of negative 1, which is equal to 25. Next, number 8, we have f circle f circle f circle f circle f. So limang f po yan. Tapos naka-composition, no, of 3. So this is defined as f of nested siya kung tatawagin, no. Yung isang f ipapasok natin sa isa pang f. Okay? So ito yung unang f, ito yung pangalawang f, pangatlong f, pang-apat na f, tapos sa pinakaloob nun is f of 3. Okay? So ayusin natin, no. Okay? So ito yung unang f, ito yung pangalawang f, pasok natin. Tapos pangatlong f, pang-apat na f, and then dito natin ipasok si f of 3. Okay? So ngayon, kukunin natin yung value ng f of 3. Okay? And we know that f of x is 2x minus 3. So, let's do this. Ano po? So, f of 3 is equal to 2 times 3 minus 3. So, evaluate natin to at x is equal to 3. Okay? So, 2 times 3 is 6. Then, minus 3 is equal to 3. So, yung f of 3, papalitan natin ng 3. Okay? So, that we have f of this one, napalitan na ng 3. So, we have here. Yan. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there are 4 open parentheses here. So, dapat apatan dito. Okay? Next, kunin natin yung value ng f of 3. Pero, no, na-compute natin before. At ang value ng f of 3 ay 3. So, instead na i-compute ulit natin yung f of 3, dahil nandyan na siya agad, so, palitan na lang agad natin ng 3. Okay? This will become f of, ito, palitan natin to ng 3, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. Ay na po, okay? So, yung 3, galing siya dito. So, next is kunin naman natin value ng f of 3. But, again, nakuha agad natin yung value ng f of 3, which is equal to 3. So, magbabawas naman tayo ng isa pang f. So, we have f of 3. Then, sumunod, f of 3. And then, lastly, f of 3 is 3. So, ayan po yung sagot sa number 8. So, bali, ang value nitong limang f na na-compose together of 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so that's all for today about composition of functions. And I hope na meron kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Alright, so do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para sa iba pang videos na ipopost ko or i-upload ko. And follow me also on my TikTok account. Stay safe, God bless, and as always, have a great day to all.